boy. Mail. Today we're doing an unboxing and kind of a first impressions. First, we're gonna get this out. It looks nice. Definitely I have to clean this. It looks like the aluminum's oxidized a little bit, just from use and stuff like that. Sadly, the guy didn't put it on the blade. I thought he was gonna put it on when he sent it. Oh. It's like super dull. Wow. This thing's like really, really good. So I am going to put it on the other blade, but we'll talk about it on this blade, then I'll swap blades and talk about it on the other blade. Conditions, alright, one of these screws is taken off. Sounds so good. Tolerances are good. It's not phosphorus bronze, thank God. Definitely needs clean though, but besides the point. Machine wise, Serif Prysma with the snakeskin blade pattern. He said it was slightly blade bias with the Serif blade, which is not really the truest. I don't do a little test. But this thing is, God, it's good. I'm definitely gonna clean it because the aluminum has oxidized a little bit. But yeah, I get a really good trade on this. Really good. Really, really good. Then, of course, the original Prysma trainer blade, which I love this blade. Let me actually take this apart and swap these right now, just real fast, and then we'll talk about it on the trainer blade, since that's originally what I wanted to talk about it on. That's the trainer blade. Probably gonna end up maybe polishing these washers just to touch it up a little bit, just if they're not already good. I really didn't check because I'm really excited to flip this on this blade. Since this is originally what I really, really wanted, was a Prysma V1. Not even a speed channel, just the speed channel was kind of the cherry on top for me. The fact that it was speed channel. But yeah, now we're gonna put on the bushing from this blade onto the other. These blades are also like really, really good. The bushing fits perfect. Like, it's not messed up or anything. So I'm gonna assume these are true link bushings, considering just how tight they are in the bore. Which is good, because I didn't feel like buying new bushings, because true link bushings are usually precise, maybe like plus or minus 5/10 thou, but other than that, they're usually really precise and good. Except for when you get a bad batch. Seems good. Drag's a little bit slow on this handle. Oh, it's even better on this blade. Flipping wise, maybe I'll have to check specs, because dare I say this blade feels less neutral than the trainer blade. The trainer blade makes it feel even more neutral. But yeah, it has a little more play on this blade. So I'm assuming the washers just need polish to replace, and then we'll be chilling. Now to make sure, yeah, these are spinning. Like, yeah, right, that one will come out. All right, we are good. But God, this thing is really, really nice so far. Neutral, slight handle bias, square handles, which I dig on these. But this is so much better than the original V1 in my opinion. It's so much more neutral. I imagine that makes it worse for the Marin platform compatibility, just because most of the blades are heavier, like the Opus blade, I believe, and the Marin blade. The really only light blades are the Serif blade and the Swift T blade. But yeah, first impressions on this: neutral, very slight handle bias, good fanning, very nice sound. Jimping is really good, nice and chunky, which is how I like it. Can I not do that? There we go. But yeah, really, really good. Happy with the trade. I traded my Konohishi clone for this, not the original one, the Blue River. Other package. This is going to be less of a first impression since I've already owned a bunch of these. Get the pack. Sticker. There we go. Okay. Anything else in the box? Nope, just sticker, paper, and this stuff, which I'll probably save and use as packaging to ship to other people. There we go. Blemish V3 Kraken. Honestly, I'm kind of sad because they don't do refunds on these, and I realized the non-blemish is only $15 more. I had to spend the $15 to get the non-blemish. Honestly, I usually only buy Kraken secondhand just because I don't value them at that. But I got this one brand new because I wanted something special done to it. To start off, the handle gap looks a bit smaller than I remember. I'm going to go over and try and find any of the blemishes just to see. I mean, my last one, the blemish, was just a small machining error, which I'm going to assume... Oh, I see there's scratching on this handle. It's like scratching on this handle. Yeah, that's really all I notice is slight scratching. They definitely put thick oil in this, though. Oh, it's like not that sharp. Oh, maybe I lied. Oh, I lied. It is hair shaving. Like, that'll shave your hair. I mean, it's a Kraken. It is a Kraken. The handle gap is smaller in the closed, and I don't know why. Maybe that. I wouldn't call that a blemish. It seems like kind of a pin issue, but I mean, as long as my blade isn't going to slap my channel, I could care less. Just don't remember the gap being that small. But yeah, Squid Industries. Kraken, V3 Tonto Silver, and then I wish they made the font a little bigger. MJW is my Instagram. Check that out. Shameless plug. MJW_flips on Instagram. Sharpening job is good. Tip's good. It's a Kraken. You ever flipped a Kraken? Slight handle bias. Fan's good. Does tricks good. Now, tolerances from factory are always kind of ass. This is like super sticky right now. And then you go to take it apart and you can't because red Loctite. So you're sitting here like this. It's not going to work. I am going to end up taking this apart anyways, just to make sure the washers are on the right area. But yeah, only thing I noticed with this is slight scratching on the sides of the handle and slightly smaller handle gap than I remember. This is going to be my beater, Kraken. Yeah, this is going to be a mainstay in the collection because it has my initial on it. But if you don't know how the Krakens feel, slight handle bias, good square handles, good for every trick. I'm kind of scared flipping this just because of the actual sharpness of it. It shaved my skin pretty easily, shaved my hair. But yeah, Krakens, love them, love them. Flip good, great beaters. But yeah, the main talk is this. Of course, I already showed this off. But God, is it good. I think I might throw it back on this blade, though. I'm gonna think about it a little bit before I make the decision of if I'm gonna throw it on that blade or not. So far, this thing is super good. It's super neutral. It has a nice ring. Yeah, I'm gonna go clean this thing off. Clean this thing off real good. But yeah, expect a review of this in the future. See ya.